po si G. Tonji mula sa Philippines! Hindi talaga pwede maging beauty queen, kaya kasama natin si Mama J or Jonas Gafood. He is here to teach us the walk, ang tinatawag na lakad. Jonas, sa Aces and Queens, ikaw ang may expertise
That's
sa
the
walk.
first training that we do.
Is the walk.
Kasi
Okay.
I have rule in a PPP. Proper posture is power. No matter what you do, kahit saan ka mapunta, dapat poised ka.
Okay, miski matalisod ka,
Oo.
kailangan poise pa rin.
Poise pa rin.
Okay, so we have our beauty queen here. Bianca Guidotti is going to show us how a beauty queen should walk.
In pose.
Okay, pose. All right, let's do it.
Yan.
Aba, may tawa. May...
Hindi, natawa lang siya. Bungit-ngit lang siya.
Okay, so there is a certain way of walking,
O parang kang nag-glide.
gliding.
Iba yung modeling. Modeling kasi parang bouncy, very...
Very ganyan.
Yan, oo.
Right? Pero pag beauty queen,
dapat
kailangan...
nag-glide lang. Regal, very class.
Hindi talaga eh. Jonas, paano ba?
Basta posture ang umpisa.
Oo.
Posture muna. Okay, wait, sorry. Ano ka muna?
So, pag
Hit
beauty
together.
queen, kailangan payat.
No, like-
Unang-una.
Oo.
Oo.
No. Hindi payat na model ha. No, we discourage that. Dapat
Really?
may laman.
May laman.
Oo.
Hindi model na butot balat.
No, dapat toned. Dapat nag-gym, alam mong ano.
Okay.
Dapat feminine pa rin na ano, hindi mannequin, hindi naman bodybuilder.
Okay. But is there a sort of standard for a beauty queen? Kasi kailangan matangkad ka. Bianca, how tall are you?
I'm actually 5'10".
Oh, okay. I'm 5'3". Pwede ba ako maging beauty queen?
Pag
Jonas, pwede ba? Please. Pangarap ko. Pwede?
mag-ano ka, 10-inch na heels. Medyo,
Wala na talagang wala na, hindi pwede. So you really have to be, there is a standard criteria
Yes.
for a beauty queen. You have to be tall, you have to be a certain weight. 'Di ba? Bakit kailangan importante itong mga to?
para ano naman, siguro when you enter a competition, doon para pareho naman kayo na tall, di ba? Kawawa naman pag may 4'11 dyan, tapos lahat ng kalaban niya 5'6
Oo.
and above. So, siguro, importante na you're looking for pwedeng maging spokesperson na matangkad and can model some clothes, ganyan. So, daming mix yung beauty queen kasi.
I see.
She can do a lot of things.
Ayan. O ano yung mga pangalan ng mga fans sa
Kay
mga walk?
Venus yung Pilapil Walk because natutunan daw niya maglakad sa the rice fields, no?
Oh.
And then si Shamsi the Tsunami Walk because she was interviewed by ABS-CBN. Sinabi lang niya na the trainer in Colombia told her to you walk like your hips daw, parang waves, parang tsunami. So naging issue na 'yon.
Okay,
And then
tsunami
kay
walk.
Janine, I don't know where the Cobra Walk came from.
Ako naman maglalakad. Jonas, ikaw
Una
na
kasi
lang yung...
posture.
Oo.
But you have to remember yung posture muna. Like,
Oh.
you have to think na parang nag-squeeze ka ng lemon from navel to spine.
Okay. Yeah, engage.
Oo, at dapat ganun ka forever. Hindi mo...
Palaging ganyan ang
Oo.
ang medyo mahirap 'yun, ha?
Yes.
Oh, 'di ba? Okay. So ganyan ang lakad. Tapos,
And then yung yung strides ng paa mo, ng how you walk, dapat yung when you do that, kailangan naka-stretch yung legs mo, yung back and knees.
ang hirap pala nito. Okay, so stretch.
There, and then
Ang hirap
when you lift, doon ka lang magbe-bend when you lift.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah, parang ganyan.
Yeah.
Actually, para kang I always encourage my girls to learn ballet and, dance flamenco.
Oh, okay, because
Para
that
mas-
really teaches you the grace and the
Yes.
posture. O, pwede mo bang bigyan ng name ang aking walk? O, ganyan.
Ano ba to?
The walang alam walk.
The Glidal Tonji Walk. The gliding Tonji Walk.
Gliding.
Parang kang nag-glide.
Ayan. Jonas, thank you so much for being
Thank
on
you.
Kababayan today. We support you and there's something about you that just people gravitate towards. It's undeniable talaga.
May
Right?
aura.
I
May aura.
agree.
That's very
Yeah.
important. I always
Ayan.
tell them dapat yung aura.
Okay, alam mo marami tayong mga Filipino-American na kababayan that are aspiring to be beauty queens, to go back to the Philippines to represent their country. What advice can you share with them?
My advice is for them to be ready that they have to reach the 1-year residency in the Philippines
Ayan.
to get their dual citizenship. Para maging, I mean, if you want to join Binibining Pilipinas, dapat may 1-year residency ka muna.
Nako, Jonas, thank you so much for
Thank
being
you.
here. This is your home when you're here
Okay.
from the Philippines. Please come back,
Yes.
okay? Bianca, all the best to you in your showbiz career. Maraming salamat for watching us. Bye! Since this taping, Jonas Gafford of Aces and Queens mentored Pia Wurtzbach, our new Miss Universe 2015. Congratulations to Aces and Queens! Mula sa Kababayan Today, ipagbunyi ang Miss Universe 2015 Miss Pia Alonzo Wurtzbach na tinanghalang pinakamagandang babae sa buong mundo ay sariling atin. Watch this exclusive interview this week on Kababayan Today, brought to you by Island Pacific Supermarket.